We've got, apart from Ajit sir, we've got the principal star cast, for a media interaction with you today. We've got George Pius. George Pius and Suresh Balaji are the producers on the film through Wide Angle Creations. RD sir, everybody knows, and when you see the film tomorrow, everybody will know him a little bit better, because he's done truly a marvelous job on the film. We have Parvati, Bruna, who are the leading ladies of the film, Vidyut and Sudhanshu, the other two principal male actors in the film, and last but not least, Chakri, who's made the film, worked really hard over a year. Worked on a pretty demanding schedule, a lot of it coming from the action director and the DOP of the film. And we are privileged that you made this trip only to witness what happens on a Friday when an Ajit film releases in Chennai.
Getting Billa 2 ready for release, and it's been a momentous journey actually. At the outset, I'd like to thank Ajit sir, who agreed to do this film with us, and I think hopefully we'll give you a product that's worthy of his status. R.D. Rajshekar sir, who's done a brilliant job on this film, and I'm glad he came onto this project because his contribution is considerable. So I'm sure you'll all appreciate his work when you watch the movie. Chakri, not only is he hardworking, he's made sure all of us had to work hard on this film. So I think he's done a great job, and all of you will appreciate that just into his second film he's giving us a brilliant product. Really thankful to them for taking time out to come here today, and they'll be here tomorrow too to witness the release, and they want to go to the various theaters and see the hype of an Ajit star. So thank you guys for coming, and Yuvan for giving us great music. Yuvan couldn't make it here today, we were hoping he would come.
I just have two small words to say. I want to correct what Sudhanshu said. For Ajit sir and I, Billa brand means Rajnikant sir. That's always for us. Mr. Rajnikant will be the brand of Billa. He started what Billa means. In the process, I learned a lot, and everyone worked hard. Hopefully, it'll show in the film. And I'm not going to thank anyone because we all got paid very well to do our job. So, but I hope the audience will enjoy and have fun at the film. Thank you.
I consider myself very, very fortunate, very lucky to be a part of a film called Billa 2. I've been saying this, and I really mean that Billa 2 is not just a film, it's a very big brand. And the brand is obviously created by the very special Mr. Ajit Kumar. I'd like to thank Mr. Sunil Khetrapal, George sir, Suresh Balaji sir to have actually selected me to do this film, and RD sir to have made me look so good on screen. Thank you very much, RD sir. And also I'm very thankful to God to have given me such wonderful co-actors such as Vidyut, Parvati, Bruna, all fantastic looking people, and they are equally beautiful at heart. And last but not the least, Chakri Toreti, a fantastic director, a fantastic human being, a huge support to an actor like myself who is completely new to this this side of the industry, and he has given me a huge opportunity, and I hope I've been able to fulfill his expectations while we were shooting. He's a phenomenal guy. He's one of the easiest directors to work with, and I had such a ball shooting for this film, primarily because I think everybody was on the same page. We all had such a great time, and I guess that always results in a good product. although they always say that director is the captain of the ship, but I would also like to say that captain of the ship, Thala Ajit, am I right? Yeah. He's a great man, and I'd like to mention that I'd be honest, when I came from Bombay, I still didn't know how huge a superstar Ajit Kumar was. I always knew that he's a big superstar, but when I came here, I realized how big and how powerful his stardom is. And when I met him, it shocked me even more to know, to meet a man who, of his stature, of his star power, to be so humble, so down to earth, and somebody with such a beautiful heart. I mean, I've very rarely seen stars of his level to be so polite and so even with everybody in terms of his behavior, whether it's the man who's working, serving tea to people, or it's the co-actor, or anybody, or the producer. He has been a learning process for me. I observed him when I was not talking to him, I would sit away and I would look at him and in amazement how wonderful a man he is. So this film has been a complete learning process for me. I guess I would thank God to give me Billa 2 because it has been a learning process. When I say, it has helped me become a better person, I would say. I've seen such big people, such huge stars being so humble, and that has helped me calm myself down a bit in life, and I would thank God for that. I waited 8 years to, I always prayed that God, please give me a chance to go and visit Tirupati Balaji. And I hold Billa 2 responsible for actually showing me the way and direction to go and visit Tirupati Balaji. And I finally seek blessings of Balaji Bhagwan last week. Thank you so much, everybody. God bless us all. Thank you.